COVID has posed a challenge for a lot of schools. We know this. But what about those that teach a hands-on skilled trade? Investigative reporter Sarah Wallace shows you how one in Mahwah, New Jersey is adapting and innovating.
They're fired up at Lincoln Tech in Mahwah, New Jersey. The 650 students in 4 programs from electrical to automotive back hands-on after 4 months of all virtual learning.
That would be on page 65.
The students still get 2 days of remote classes, but the rest is right here with lots of new safety precautions in place.
Where we added an air purification system in the building, where we now have UV lights in all of our air conditioning systems so that the air coming into the building is purified.
Portable sanitizing devices are as prolific as the equipment the students use to hone their trade skills. The school works like a well-oiled machine and has even added more Friday and Saturday classes so students can get caught up with the hands-on experience they missed for months.
Before this, I was about to go to a 4-year college and study stuff that I really didn't care about or wasn't really interested in, and this really makes me more interested in that, how I have to do stuff with my hands.
An interesting point, in this struggling economy, there is great demand for these students. In fact, the school says there are more open positions out there than they have students to give.
It's an amazing feeling knowing that as long as I put in my work here, as long as we work hard and train at our best, that, you know what, we have jobs coming out of this.
I know a lot of people who are struggling right now. You know, even myself, I struggle. And it's good to know that I'm doing something that's going to guarantee me a future.
And the field is attracting more women like Ariana Harris.
I am a mother of a 4-year-old, and I wasn't at home mom, so coming back into any field and choosing machining as one was a bit intimidating at first.
But she now has 3 job prospects. By the way, they haven't just adapted here. They're innovating. Lincoln Tech now makes parts for NASA, just one of many partnerships that is letting these students dream big.
There you go. Good job.
From Mahwah, Sarah Wallace, News 4 New York.